Hello everyone. Do you know when and how the earth was formed and transformed to the current state of the world? I am going to tell you a story about the evolution of the earth and the transformation to the current state of the world. I am Professor Dr. Muhammad Asadullah, a chartered engineer, and I welcome you to my YouTube channel asadcamacademy.com. Let's have a talk about the story. After about 200 million years of the Big Bang, the star explosion occurred, which is called supernova. According to the solar nebula hypothesis, after the supernova, the gas, dust, and different sizes of the particles combinedly formed a giant rotating cloud, which is called solar nebula. When the nebula was spinning with high speed, the gravity caused the nebula to collapse, and most of the lighter materials were pulled toward the center of the nebula, which formed the sun, while the heavier particles were thrown away, like centrifuges nowadays, and gathered together to form the planets like Earth in the solar system. The other planets were also formed in the solar system. The young Earth was so hot and everything in the Earth was in the molten form. The molten iron, the most abundant and heavier element, was settled down to the center of the Earth, and thus the heat was released to the upper layer, which caused the melting of other debris that formed the magma. Over time, the Earth was cooled down, that caused the formation of solid surface. Around 4 billion years ago, the landmass was formed and it was cold enough to rain, and thus the ocean was formed. Then the first living thing, which is called anaerobic bacteria, was appeared on the earth. The anaerobic bacteria produced methane, carbon dioxide, and ammonia gases. That time, the atmosphere was predominantly consisted of methane and ammonia gases, and those gases are extremely important greenhouse gases. Thus, their radiative force kept the Earth's atmosphere warm. About 2.5 billion years ago, there was no oxygen on the Earth. However, when the cyanobacteria was appeared on the Earth, which produced oxygen as a byproduct of photosynthesis reaction, the oxygen level dramatically increased. And this change of atmosphere caused the extinction of the previously appeared anaerobic bacteria. Since there were no more radiative forcing bacteria and no more methane and carbon dioxide gases, the Earth was much colder and formed a stable Earth. Around 240 million years ago, dinosaur, a giant animal, first appeared on the Earth. However, science says the human being evolved only about 200,000 years ago. Compared to the total age of the Earth, human being has just started their journey. Civilization as we know today is only about 6,000 years old, and industrialization, it has just been started in 19th century. It started in Britain and is spread to all over the world. Since then, the world has been tremendously developed and reached to the current state of the world. It took just only about 200 years. Thank you for watching the video. I hope this video is useful to know about the evolution of the current world. If you enjoyed this video, click the like button and then leave your comment. And please don't forget to subscribe and share the video. Please subscribe to my channel to get brand new videos at least twice a week. Go ahead and click the subscribe button right now. Bye for now and see you soon in the next video.